walk 500 miles, and I would walk 500 more. Oh, what a beautiful morning. Oh, what a beautiful day.
Okay, I've got your location. Stay on the line with me. Help is on the way.
Hello, yes, I need help. My dog is being attacked by a giant python. We're on the old country road. Please hurry.
Everyone, gather around. We have a code red. A German Shepherd is trapped by a giant python. Let's move.
What's the situation?
We've got a multi-car pileup on the interstate. Multiple injuries reported. Hurry up! We're heading on the mission. Okay, team, listen up. We're moving out in 5.
Go, go, go! We need to move!
We are here to help. Stay back. Don't worry, we are here. We are ready. We're ready.
Please help the dog. The giant python has it. Hurry, get it off! Come on! Come on, switch your machine. Hold on, boy, they're helping you. Hold on, I'm coming to get you.
We need to release the python in a completely safe location.
It looks fine.
The dog is okay. It's perfectly fine. Easy does it now. Carefully, we are about to release it. Stay focused and keep it controlled. Steady, let's give it space.